Groper Creek, 14.5 kilometres south of the Home Hill, part of the Burdekin Shire. We are nearly there. Be part of the population of 60 permanent residents. Come and see 13 Adams Place, Groper Creek. 13 Adams Place, Groper Creek comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, open plan living and enough room for a pool table. Under the house, enough room to store your boats. 13 Adams Place, Groper Creek is a great investment, whether it be holiday home or permanent residence. Come and see what Groper Creek has to offer. And the kids can have fun in the court. Groper Creek is known for its fishing and crabbing. To inspect 13 Adams Place, Groper Creek, call Amber Hornsby 0458 913 715.